Magandang umaga, magandang hapon at magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, si Jor Makinay. And today, we are reviewing this new old unit. It's the latest WD PDX, which is the version 3 based on the release, what has been released here in the Philippines. And this is second hand. This is a unit for upgrade of Boss Jepoy. So the looks will be different from the one you can buy from stock. So please bear with me. Okay, let's get into it. This one is an all nylon construction. Nylon. And this is basically the same as the PDX with some slight difference. One, the buttstock connector is shorter. This is the version 1 PDX. So, see, different connector. The PDX things that I print will still fit, but it will be tight on the first try. Tight. Because the hole here is 0.5 millimeters smaller. So, it will be a little bit tight. But it will fit. This is still PDX. Same magwell. Same Gen 8 magazines. Difference is the handguard, which now contains a longer outer barrel. No, actually the outer barrel is the same as until here. Then barrel extension until here. So the changes in the length is from the original what is that? Around 200 millimeters to the much longer 300 millimeters. So it's now M4 length? Something like that. So this is just basically a longer PDX. The same. So on why you would want this, I don't know. It has a Geisel handguard, which is cute. Where's the other handguard that I have here? The stock one. So it was here. See, there's a. You can see the difference. It's only slightly longer. So, and this one, I don't know if this is second hand, so I don't know if it's upgraded or not, is a metal gearbox. So it's heavier than the usual PDX. So if that's a good thing or a bad thing, it depends on you. And this is still ARP9 metal gearbox compatibles. You just need to change the prime wirings and it will be the same. So, now, would you want this? Depends on you. If you like the PDX but want it longer, then it will be a good choice. Because, I forgot, this had an M4 stock here. So that will also cost from limited battery space. So bottom line is, if you want a longer PDX, this is your choice. But you want to, that's it, longer PDX. So It just like the PDX body, but longer. This is your choice. I really don't know what to say about this one. It's really weird because it's a mix of things that doesn't really happen on the real steel variant. The real steel doesn't have this rail. It's different. It's their own format but much longer. This one, this style. The Maxim Defense one, but much longer. So it's up to you. Sorry. Throat. If you have any comments, suggestions, violent reactions, do not hesitate to put it down in the comment section down below and I'll answer it as soon as possible. Hanggang sa muli, paalam!